Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, your host. This channel is all about helping you practice your listening skills, so let's get started. I am from Canada. Canada is my country. It is a big country. It is a beautiful country. Canada has many cities. Canada has many towns. Canada has many people. People come from different places. I was born in Canada. I was born in a city. The city is quiet. The city is clean. The city is not very big. The city is not very small. It is a good place. It is a safe place. When I was a child, I lived there. I lived with my family. My family was kind. My family helped me. I had a mother. I had a father. I had brothers and sisters. We lived together. I went to school in my city. The school was near my home. I walked to school. I walked every day. I liked my school. I liked my teachers. They were kind. They helped me learn. When I was a boy, I liked to play. I played outside. I played after school. I played with friends. We played games. We ran a lot. We laughed a lot. We were happy. My city has many houses. It has small streets. It has shops. It has parks. People in my city are friendly. They say hello. They help each other. They smile. The weather in my city changes. There are 4 seasons. Winter is cold. Summer is warm. In winter, it snows. The streets are white. The air is cold. People wear jackets. People wear hats. People wear gloves. People stay warm. People drink hot drinks. In summer, the weather is nice. The days are long. The sun is bright. People go outside. People walk in parks. People talk together. People enjoy the day. People feel good. Spring is fresh. Flowers grow. The air feels new. Everything looks clean. Autumn is cool. Leaves fall. The color changes. The city looks calm. I like my city. I like my country. It feels like home. It feels safe. Now I think about where I am from. I remember my childhood. I remember my school. I remember my friends. My city made me who I am. My country is part of me. My past is important. My story is important. Where are you from? What is your country? What is your city? What is your home? Are you from a big city? Are you from a small town? Are you from a village? Are you from the countryside? Your place matters. Your home matters. Your story matters. You matter. Think about your country. Think about your city. Think about your home. This is where you are from. All right, everyone, that's it for today on Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, and I hope this helped you practice your listening skills. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you next time.